Welcome to Rogers Hall here at Kentucky Wesleyan College. We're excited that all of you are here today for this innovative, exciting, collaborative announcement between two of the finest educational institutions in Kentucky and Kentucky Wesleyan College and the University of Louisville. Before we get started, I want to introduce some special guests we have with us. We have Davis County Circuit Court Judge Jay Weddington, Court of Appeals Judge Jeff Taylor is here. We have Lee Jackson, who's the president of the Owensboro-Davis County Bar Association. Thank you for being with us. We also have a few of our trustees from Kentucky Wesleyan. I see Mitch Settle over here to my left, Sonny Hall, Connie Lou Barnett, and our faculty trustee, Dr. Henry Connor. Thank you all for being here. We have the Chamber of Commerce president, Candace Brake, is here, and her husband, Dr. Nick Brake from Owensboro Public Schools. I see other chamber staff members. Thank you all for being with us. I want to thank the media for being here as well for this very exciting announcement. So without further ado, we are honored to have with us the president of the Board of Governors of the Kentucky Bar Association and also an attorney here in Owensboro with Sullivan, Mountjoy, Stainback, and Miller. Please welcome Mr. Mike Sullivan.
He forgot to tell you maybe the most important thing, and that is my wife is a graduate of Kentucky Wesleyan College. My niece is a student here and a tennis player, so I've got some connections to this school as well. Yes, I'm the current president of the Kentucky Bar Association, and I bring you greetings from the Bar Association. We will hold our annual convention here in Owensboro this summer. And our community is honored to have what we hope is over 1,000 lawyers from Kentucky come to Owensboro this summer to attend some interesting programs and hopefully pump a little money into our local economy. So we're very proud to bring that convention here this summer, but that's not why I'm here today. At the Bar Association, we often see young members of the bar saddled with large student loans. The Kentucky Bar Association supports innovative ways to make an outstanding legal education more efficient and affordable. And that is why today is a significant day for justice and legal education here in Kentucky and at Kentucky Wesleyan College. So as president of the Kentucky Bar Association, I'm honored to be present at this announcement and to introduce to you my colleague and fellow member of the Kentucky Bar Association, who also happens to be president of Kentucky Wesleyan College, Bart Darrell.
Taking time from your incredibly busy schedule. You're not just trying to practice law, you're trying to run a bar association. That's tough. Kentucky Wesleyan College has a history dating back to 1858 of producing leaders in just about every area of life you can imagine, including but certainly not limited to medicine, the ministry, accounting, business, education, and for our purposes here today, certainly the law. We have an incredibly rich history of producing graduates who have gone on to have major impacts in the legal system for social justice and just the evolution of law generally in America. These giants include people like Don Stepner, the former president of the KBA, Mike, the Honorable Judge Ellen Bork Ewing, who was the first female chief judge of the Jefferson Circuit Court system, on to people like, and you all know this, the students particularly do, the United States Supreme Court Justice, Stanley Foreman. And the list could go on and on. As a pre-law student here at Kentucky Wesleyan myself, I knew that I had high standards to strive for because of these legal giants and many others. I can't help but recall the professors that I had, and my other classmates had, who were, you all prepared us well for law school and beyond. We Wesleyan lawyers, as we like to call ourselves, we like to think that we have and continue to have positive impact on the justice system in Kentucky. Kentucky Wesleyan College has incredible faculty, a history of that, and they had vision. They demanded the best from us so that we could do well in law school and beyond. Now here at Wesleyan, and you know this, we are strong believers in collaboration in higher education. It can make academic delivery more cost efficient, but it can also make it a higher quality when we tap into each other's greatest strengths. You've already seen this here at Wesleyan in lots of ways. Examples are our partnership with the University of Louisville relative to nursing, our dual credit offerings in our public schools. Dr. Brady. We work with the boys clubs, for example. We have transfer agreements with community colleges, so there can be a seamless transition from the 2-year program to ours. We have built a football stadium at the Louisville Catholic schools. And we're in the middle of building, Dr. Brady again, a state-of-the-art track and field facility that we will use together doing with you guys. So, we believe in collaboration. It's the way to make higher education work. So today, I am excited and I'm honored to announce yet another collaborative initiative at Kentucky Wesleyan College. Kentucky Wesleyan College and the University of Louisville's Brandeis School of Law have entered into a joint initiative that starts now. Students at Kentucky Wesleyan College will have the ability to apply and enroll in law school at the University of Louisville after their junior year. Now, most of you realize that typically a student has to graduate from their undergraduate institution before they can enroll in law school. But that's not going to be the case anymore. In this rather unique program, Kentucky Wesleyan students' first year of law school will also constitute their senior year at Kentucky Wesleyan College. Initially, we've aligned certain majors of study at Wesleyan that will qualify for the program, which is called a 3+3 undergraduate juris doctorate program. The following majors additionally will be eligible for the program: accounting, business, English, criminal justice, history, political science, and legal studies. What's the result here? Well, the result is these students will not only save an entire year of college expense, but they will also enter the profession or whatever career they want to use their law degree in a year early. And let me tell you, this is significant. The average, I would say the average positive economic impact over time for these students in their careers could exceed $200,000. You can see what that does to the cost of higher education. Kentucky Wesleyan is already an incredible bargain. Make no mistake about that, an incredible bargain for a top-flight private faith-based education. And this is yet another initiative that affords young people an even better opportunity at the dream they may have. We compare with virtually any school anywhere when cost and quality are considered. And now, with the University of Louisville, we have just made a legal education more affordable than ever before. I want to thank Kentucky Wesleyan's faculty and Vice President of Academic Affairs, Paula Dent, for working so hard to align the curriculum so this partnership could come to fruition. That was no small task. You are amazing professionals and people, and I applaud your commitment to seeing that our students have the best chance at their dreams. I want to specifically thank the University of Louisville Brandeis School of Law Dean Susan Duncan, for her work on this partnership and her innovative approach to legal study. She is a tremendous asset and credit to the University of Louisville. Now, I'm not going to pretend it's not. This is very personal for me. So I'm not going to pass on the opportunity to thank the University of Louisville, where I received my law degree, and Kentucky Wesleyan College, where I received my undergraduate degree. These two institutions changed my life forever, and now I believe they have the opportunity to combine again to do that for so many of our students. I commend the University of Louisville for recognizing the quality of our student body, the excellence of our faculty, which prepares students, and the compelling track record Kentucky Wesleyan College has relative to preparing legal scholars and practitioners. And I thank them for choosing us as its first partnership. We are honored and we are grateful. It is another great day at Kentucky Wesleyan College, and quite frankly for Owensboro and Davis County, and actually for the Commonwealth. This is a new day, and Kentucky Wesleyan Wesleyan is very pleased to once again be a pioneer in making higher education more affordable, more qualitative, and just flat out better. So I thank all of you all for being here, and for members